Yo gogo ibandlo tech fula la inyiko athuzeli ukuzocula la fokol stress ithi lakta phana cash loku popul fresh niggas ngakayina next mara so cool nsika blind and unkhohlul that's why in randa speaker grind.
Welcome back, everybody. This is Tamto Podcast. Unfortunately, today I'm alone. Like, who does that? But then you're not there. Welcome back, everybody. It's me, your host, one more time, Poppy. As you can see, I'm not alone. We'll get into that just now. Okay, so do not forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. They are very important. They're able to feed people like me. I want to be bigger. Okay. Okay. So on my this is right, yeah. On my right hand side, I have my beautiful black Barbie. And on my left hand side, kinale papa hi, kikarabo, papa hi, jabs, kijaru of course. So kinama to today. As you can see, Ukenta Sasha hi, she is so pretty. Of course, Didi Oka na other than that, greet my people, please.
Sanbonani, my name is Karabo Slepe. I am 20 years of age and I am from Women Park. I am the face of Heritage South Africa, class of 2025 finalist, representing the Gauteng province. Yeah.
Labut, Papa, hi. Greet my people, greet my crowd for me.
Hi everyone, Kichabu Ntata Karabo. Oh, yeah, we are here supporting my daughter all the way. Yeah, Remo, Arisimile right home.
But you are shy. Why are you shy?
No, Asibu shy, like okay, like you know that
First time.
excitement.
The
like,
excitement, yeah.
first time, like like
This opportunity.
this opportunity, yeah. But yeah,
Deep moments in here. Okay. As I introduce you, they've introduced themselves. Of course, there's no need for me to run through their introductions. Again, if you do not understand, go back, repeat, and everything. So, Karabo,
Hello.
how are you?
Nervous, ne?
I can tell.
Yeah.
I can tell. You need to unwind, or relax.
Super sharp. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Face, the face. She is the face, guys. I'm so excited. It is my first time sitting with a model. Oh my god. Correct. I even asked her how. Because like I can't be this big. I want to be petite and like a form about the face. Okay, tell me, darling. Let me get off of shower hands.
Okay.
Tell me, where did you start with your journey? What with your modeling?
Well, I was doing grade 9, I remember. So, they get all the advice from my friends. No, you should try modeling. Like, but when I walk, but no, man, you have that thing.
Yes,
Try modeling, and your body is giving that.
thing.
And the confidence actually. So I was doubting because akusumuntu bengasumntu makeup.
Yeah.
Like izinto nje ezenza ngebhizi sentombazana like mina bengi-out sharp. Bengi-out sharp and then umngani wami I'm like
Yeah.
wangincedisa ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthola
Mhm.
and then ngacela nomama ukuthi angincedise. Yeah, sathola i-Figures Models Finance International la eBox.
Mhm.
Yeah, okay, mangena ngithukile phela mina ngibona abelungu abade yini ngifishane kukhanya and then ngaba right, okay, bangifundisa and everything and then I went, okay, you know what, girl, you're born for this.
You can walk the walk.
Nje lento thina ngizidokile sami zokuqala phela ngazo stage.
Really?
Yes.
Let's see the shoes. Show them your shoes. You see what I mean? A black Barbie. Like a literally Barbie. And I'm like, girl. Yes.
yeah.
Okay. As much as you know about her and her modeling career, like for you, what scares you the most in this industry? Because obviously it's not that safe.
Now I'm one person like I'm that person already and I'm overprotective.
Yeah.
baneng ba ka bokele a ke batle niks ntho tse so nne so but since fela e le motho le gore ke eng Karabo she's someone looking respect e teng everything e teng and I'm that person looking supporto bana ba ka whatever etsang ke tla mo ka full support and whatever ke ne ke na le that thing ya gore eish boselepe bo eng nthonyana tseo wa bona ba tseba kae kae o na le batho ba loreng ba tlo kenya kae kae o tlo batla o thola ntho a e tholang
Yeah, yes.
e dire so but I was there for yena nna all the way at some point I used to I used to be absent even from work ke mo khapa re tsamaya kae kae re tsamaya kae kae just the support ko a qadileng teng was that
Figures model.
the figures model we used to travel le ene le mmae we used to travel ke lo fa spanning ke etsang but na le ntho e ke e boneng it was for the first time not the first time yet but I still remember a winner coronary was it Ronnie Poto guy it was for the first time I shed the tears like
That's my daughter.
is it my daughter like yeah
Those smalanyana questions.
yeah like
Yeah.
that thing if it's the fit I shed the tears like yeah my baby as from today nthononzo e batla ke from the start fela cala dir a win she never lost anything
Plus,
Yeah.
manje wa una
Di ngata dipante tsele
you know, could the advertiser, this is the first one, the second one, the
Yeah,
third one.
ngicabanga. Nansi phela ngizelele. Ngizelele.
No, but you know one thing about what we're doing, we need to understand now how many do you have, you know, so that people buy they must do their research. But well, okay, Karabo, Vele, she is a modeler, you know, a modeler. Sooner or later, she will be Miss Universe. People, let me tell you, sooner or later,
that one I can
we
say.
are taking the Miss Universe again. You know, we don't want another story for who and who. Let me keep quiet about that. As you can see, she is a South African. We come back to that. She's a South African. What's it was Zulu? What's it was Pedi?
Was so
Yeah.
true.
Everything.
Yes.
Okay, at the moment, besides your modeling career and everything, are you schooling?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm doing mechanical engineering
Yes.
at the SAJ Competency Training in the N2.
So basically, o face. Come on, you're an engineer. I we get in the back that of blue. Bye bye. An engineer. Come on, we are chasing the Miss Universe title. Whether she likes it or not, I will push her. You know what? I can Miss Universe. Despite the height, they're high. Because at some competitions, the height is required. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye. When I heard it's about engineer, how proud are you? One of you know what who this is such a dreamer because she's a dream girl.
Yeah, you know, like raising this child, it's not easy to raise someone or like or motoso like it's easy, but it's not easy because it's a mali responsibility. Skela wa school, she used to say, "Baba, ke batla ba lawyer, ke batla," but ka dula le ene ka mo ya fatshe ngwana ka you know also since le nna ke tswa mo technical background
Hello, tell them a technician.
unfortunately vela zange ngithole into so I'm the one who advised her okay if ever you can go this route and o tlo ba shapa ngwana ana sa batle ana iponele ba di lawyer
You know, what very black, you know.
yeah. So, but in surprise, okay, sharp. We went there, some register a college and stuff. We did
Yeah.
o tlo ba sharp. First day, here, got everything here. Papa, this and this and this and this. Okay, sharp. Drawing wise, whatever. I was the one. Ke le lecture ya ka tlung. When I come back from work, ke nna ke mo ruta ntho e etsa so, how to construct, how to do whatever. Drawings every, and she started enjoying.
Really?
Wa push, wa push, wa push, wa push. Dear, up until now, vela, ntho e etsang wa e rata no. Or
Yeah.
maybe ke choose ntho e wrong. Ke ye ntho ntse ke e etsa like wa bona.
Yeah. To begin with.
And I'm behind her like each and everything. Mm.
That's so nice. Labona, when you talk about the meaning of present dads, present fathers, bua ka ntate also. Not motho a tlo tla tlisa lethini le one la nen, then after that re o present. No. A present dad is always there through every step of your life. Like o tsamaya le wena wa o guide. That's why ke re, you know what? Present fathers are the best. So la rata ke daddy's girl.
Karabo, not Lerato.
I said Karabo.
You said Lerato.
I said Karabo.
You said Lerato.
All right. You said
Oh
that.
my
Okay,
god, I'm
fine.
sorry. You know? Now I'm a bit ashamed. Karaba is a daddy's girl. What wanna hello over in a family whereby there is love, of course. I get it. Like ba mo support, ka mo le ka mo, le rona ga mo support. And one more thing, guys, we'll show you her picture and the finalist. You gonna who vote so that she can win. I gonna go with this journey. Ha tlohele skolo and what kore I see baba bitsa bottle girls. No, ke mo girl of focused. Ke mo girl of focused. Ka mo go bulegile.
Multitasking.
You know? Yeah, multitasking. So, Karam.
So how do you feel? Tell me, how do you feel? Do you feel worried as much as your father says, who pushes it, or push until or rather cause it, but when actually you really wanted to do that? Oh,
No, I wanted to be a lawyer. I wanted to do law. Like, Nanyis Bonang is a court.
seriously.
Nice.
Can you debate? Hela content goes with debate.
Into the Russians was because Babang shouted,
So you see, you
Mama
won't
like,
be
no, I knew who were right. That's all.
So tell me, then sharp now because over you still I know you still want it. I know it's still in your heart.
It's still in my
But
heart.
when you're done with your studies over Reka, and then maybe you are Miss Heritage South Africa, then are you still going to take out the money and go for law?
Exactly. I want my own law.
Oh, what's a law firm? Now you can open your own engineering company.
Nayo ngizoyivula phela ngithi ngisasemncane.
You need to start at a young age.
See, angakuphi. Yabona sisithi yabona ngingakafiki ku-40. Ngizibona ngisasemncane. Yabo.
And stress.
Usapush. Sure.
Sure.
I know it sounds your story. It sounds so very nice because
And it's inspiring.
yeah, it's inspiring. I feel Urukare. I feel. I'm asking. I feel Urukare. What we are talking about to your father's side and your friend's side were pushed.
Yeah, I was.
You were pushed.
I was.
Because you said your story said Nagetamaya, the way my
Yeah, the way
said,
I walk.
No, Toby, you can be a model. Well, you can be a model, but we don't know when and away. At that time, you were not thinking of that.
Bengumjida, bengazingeni.
So I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You feel worried. You do things, and then at the end of the day, you end up where at that thing. But I can't wait to see you or wena the decision ya Karabo in future. Yeah.
It don't lead like a
Yeah, how you. I'm not saying about choosing it, but I'm saying your story sounds like that. Or my friends pushed me, or give it, and it works.
Ka mo ke papa.
Yeah, it works. Ka mo papa o relate to this, but it works. You understand? So, Kenya or combine in future, I can't wait to see combination in kaofela.
Modeling,
Yeah, I understand.
mechanic.
Over a triple super saiyan or something. You understand? And it will be amazing. So,
It will be the first in a million years,
Yeah, it will be
especially
because
in South Africa.
it's rare. In South Africa, you don't get things like that. It's either get drop off.
Mm.
You know, we got a lot of celebrities like what G Mashio. They'll tell you, I'm not a school grade 10, but I made it in music.
Mm.
You understand? But you still carrying on. You understand? So it's either outside really Miss Heritage unakile school. They do that. Or actually school
And
again. But for now, it's very both and you still want more. No, it's proper.
you know the thing about people, but to my understanding, but by etsang re ke o ya sekolong then a tlogele school and focus on another career is because they lack support. Outa Karaba has support from both parents, both also in a very stable environment.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So for her to pursue two careers at the same time, it's like, girl,
Yeah.
no, Janganang, we no longer looking at you specifically, but we are looking at the people that are behind you. Because bamutari seats available. Basically, kind of demo balance scale. What that is a scale because all balance seats. You understand?
Yeah.
So to you, girl, bring back the trophy, Shem.
I will.
Please bring it back. Ke nyaka mo ka pelanga ke re ke e trophy ya hae.
Ayona yata windmill park. Definitely.
Ronda ka na windmill ke ga la mon. La mon.
It's so very nice.
It's very nice.
It's a father. I guess you went through, you know, as fathers, as parents, we go through financial problems.
Yeah.
We go through challenges. You understand? Even over America, you feel some other how, or you work overtime.
Exactly.
Or at least to have a kid like Wamkelezisa, school, and
The extra interest is a high come.
finance, traveling, you are looking at the textbook and so on. So how does it feel? How do you see that? Like maybe we want the team.
Jack, it's not easy. It's not easy because sometimes we even go extra minutes we can almost anything. But none to one obligation. I'll be there for my kids, whatever, as long as they are doing the right thing. But I'm a channel sharp. Support it over thing. Or what I wait, if first born, another second, be last. So she's a good example. More the siblings are high. So ke batla o pusha that day. Or ke kena ha ka kang in. Now sometimes I even forget to buy myself. I don't know, maybe when was the last time I buy myself a pair of shoes? Sometimes they really oh, Karabo, Karabo, Tsepiso, Bukamoso. Like, so I'm trying to support Banimbaka, a dear.
So it's nice. It's nice being a parent because sometimes we feel worried. They don't know what we are going.
Yeah.
And you understand. Sometimes you cry alone aside and say, "Modi koloto." Sometimes you might you sometimes sell your car. Your kids. Basati, I sell my car at Alasai, buying time just to.
What I like about this girl, like, nka ba le stress, ke be le eng, a tle baba, o nga wa Zolo. Lungani mfethu, like, Ara nna ke executive parent phela. I can even finance you. O ka mpha pocket money nne ke shapeile ke ene o tla tlang tsa mama. Tshwara so mara tlo tla le interest nyana.
The same money she took from you.
Yeah, Maria ke tlo tla le interest nyana. Okay, sharp, I understand. Ke tla re
Yeah, so it's quite challenging.
yeah.
But with Kakapelo, how you felt already. You know, it's nice when you see what challenge out there.
Exactly,
So I
exactly.
understand more with again.
Monarchy investment,
Yeah.
yeah. You know.
Besides that, he knows or heart of oh yeah, all right. We hate living
And good memories.
Yeah, this is what we try. So tell me when I you yourself. What are your plans for your part? I don't know about 10 million, 10 million. What's going to happen? What comes in your mind? Hey, no, how much I'm going to do that.
Company ya rona.
Yeah. Somncedisa vele because nekhampani because
Can you be?
yeah, so yeah, ngizomncedisa ukuthi ayivule le company le-carpentry. Uvule i-carpentry. Senza ama
Yeah.
yes, so yeah, ngizomncedisa. Yeah, ngizoncedisa lapho nalapho phela eneyama.
So Papa, like kitabeng ya carpentry. Unyaka like a company for carpentry. Okay. Have you ever thought about whether something like classes, weekly classes, like for the youth by to the carpentry and everything?
Yeah, since vela a bua ka carpentry ne ntho e ke tswa le yona high school, unfortunately azange ke push the way
No batla ka teng.
ke ne ke tsa ntho ke tsa o thola gore ke sometimes o etsetsa motho spane but a o kae hanyane a ka advantage vela ra sa le ntwana e nyane. So that's why ke changile ke re re ke zame something else ke re just to push a life since vela ke ne setse le lo le di time la ka le kalasitse. Okay, you know Grootman sister ako majozi back then. So the thing what ke batlang go bula ne I know ke tlo bula if ever I'm saying company o tlo ba le skills bafana ba baya bokele ba baya ba ile gore I can do that for free as long as nka thola finance sharp pele gore ke na le material so ke na le material. I'll teach everyone or okay re tla so re so ka mo re rana business re ba thola something just to be sharp kasi or wherever ebe ke yona ntho plan ya ka like
Looking out for the
you see everyone looking wabona employment ibhaya jwa mo Mzansi no ya
and it doesn't exist these days, yeah.
and then ntho tse so like ke awara every time it's even if Hispanic ke ka rava ke la bona majita ba baya ba mo di robotong ba in fathers family men like really poto in that thing yan sharp I'm working but
You wish you could assist.
if ever can lo ba le struggle se itseng ke spana what about this guy like
Yeah.
depends ka di more ke batho ba sontsong ka ba thusa jwalo velo ke sharp zwa ka re tlo pusha something ka here re bona re ke yona ntho vela ke batlang go etsa they know very well go tlo morking ke batla eng like
Yeah, he's a giving
So tell us where do you guys originally where are you from? Can you at least a little bit tell us a story, Kakara?
Oh, yeah.
all right yeah nna I was born kuMafikeng itso sentle bebe Maidorpi le bo double HP kwa
Yeah.
Boket yeah Kespa vele is the one who gave yeah ke tswa Maftown novela I was raised by Elisa le Jerry yeah good parents dintho di changile fela time le kala za dire sharp but I once told myself for king wa tseba king the way ba ngudiseng ka teng shoot ke be le ngwana mo metjolong e ya ka Mme tšholong ya ka, but the person tlo ba le ngwana le ene ke le motho ke tlo, because I was never raised by two fathers, two mothers. I guess mm stepmother, I guess stepfather. So I just told myself for a king I fikir re wa hlela ntho ya ka vela wa hlela ntho ya ka, then I stick there. Nna le mama hae re na le re tsa 22 years re kaofela like no the ups and downs ho na le eng, but re na le 22 years. She's 20 years, turning 21 next year. Yeah. So Karabo, ngwana ke soketse ka, you know.
That's what
So,
we're
kile 2000.
Let's okay.
No.
Yeah, kile 2002.
Five.
25.
Yeah, ke le
Okay,
25.
2005. Okay, yeah.
Ka hare.
Okay.
Nna a zang ke sokole ya ka ngwana via behavior whatever, but o na di chance ile le tsona via wa tseba ntho tse ding di re.
Yeah.
I almost lost like like ngwana ka wa o qala se ke tlo mo loser like wa bona the one a kula ka teng di re I even went from Mojozi ka lale ke mo sore so kena taxing di re hello wangel ara hai a kula santsane le but when you get home vele okay re mo tse whatever mo tsa dispaninyana tseo ngwana hao same day dear re fitlhile Friday same day dear tlamehile re kgutle Sunday ngwana a sa mpatla go batla nkgono wa hae no.
So what you trying to tell us? Karabo ke ngwana ba.
Ke ngwana ba dimo o na le yona that
Yeah, because
di-calling-nyana tse o na le tsona o tlo le tšhaela le ene
I like it, girl.
ke mo kereki ke eng but o tla le jwetsa ene.
Karabo, tell us. Papa, how tell us a story? I mean, he nearly lost you. So, and you went running high. So it feels because you know when you a person only when you are multi-talented,
Yeah.
you understand?
You are blessed.
You are blessed. So so are you really?
Also, go Skotseni.
Also,
Kotseni.
I can say Kim Kereki, no, so no, you're not so Skotseni because, like,
Yeah, ngiyasonta. Ipostoli. Efesi. So, like isonto ngilithole ukuthi bese ngigula nakhona 2023 bese ngiphathwa inyawo like kuvuka ngilokhile. Then ngena bangisa ezesisi. Bangincedise ngenyawo. Okay, banginceda but still phela bafuna into abayifunayo. Kumele ngiyoyenza esontweni. And then ngavuka ngebirthday yami 26 February. So ekhaya bajule ukuthi mabathi ngebirthday yami ngithi ngifuna into so. But that day I was like, no, ngifuna esontweni. But ngithi ngifuna isonto.
Sorry. Linyawo lebe isiloko.
Manje.
Sambe staging.
Yeah, it's taking you somewhere.
Yes.
Petambe Sunday. Mama like ugokwami uyakhona mama kababa. Athi no umntana mthatheni nimise lapha futhi uyakhona. Okay bangisa la. Khona isonto leli la. Ayilangihlula. Okay, bathi ngizifunele isonto. Ngazihamba ngazifunela isonto. Mama ngitholele isonto. Ngaba right ke na khani ke izinto zami sengibona and all that. Yeah.
So inyawo zakho beziloka.
Zalokho nasesontweni zinokuloka.
Like
umoya or
Moya. Sontweni zaloka.
Umuntu osesontweni and then nama-visions and whatever zinga like una yonke into lo muntu like
so let's say for example, let's say you now have to embark on your spiritual journey. There will be a point whereby you need to go through it because how long another demo we get straight into half where o kena $1 meaning o thabisitse skereke. But what happens bale ba fantuka bale boragolo ko mama ba re le rona no tjena Tinyaka tsa rona. Are you gonna do it as well?
Mabangangiphi imali kuqala ngizoyenza.
Ayisebenza kanjalo again. One thing I can tell you, one thing I can vow on is, you see, when it comes to ancestors, especially those old ones, they were paying income and everything. They don't give you unless you do it first. You understand? It's either they will remove what they have given you for you to be spiritually woke, or then over petty sins. You understand? So that's what pay money when time is right. For you, you need to go back.
Kodwa ngiyoqhubeka kanjani ninye namali ngiyozicela
Ubaba ukhona ngisho.
ninye
I
namali.
need to get
Ubaba ukhona.
Sokuthi makakhona-ke ayikho into engizoyenza, but mina vele ngizitshelile ukuthi okay bangiphahlelile babatsho ukuthi okay ngisasemncane ukuthi ngihambe ngijimile. So mina ngisho ukuthi mina mabangiphi imali kuqala ngizokwazi ukuphuma. Angifuni ubhizi ngihluphe abazali, mabangiphi imali kuqala.
Yeah.
Nabo bayazi.
So she's saying, bias.
Bayazi.
So tell us, how we know, what is there to be won?
Then now,
And how do you feel? How do you feel being in that industry? Holding in space of a heritage finalist. Are you scared?
I have mixed emotions because like okay, nge-20 ngihambile ngayomeet ama-finalists, but ama-giant team one.
So,
She even bought high heel kana. Yeah, but why push us man? Why push?
So mangibabona was like, no. But then yeah, ngijabulile because into vele ngiyifunayo push ngincede nasendlini. So yeah, ngijabulile and I'm proud.
please do.
Yes.
Please
Yeah.
do. So wait, tell us. First prize. You listen now. You're winning a first prize of the phase right now. What are you getting?
Obviously mali ngiyithanda
Money.
Yes. And then khona it's a weekend getaway at a blight. Basipha ama-weave.
Bust down.
And then ngithola i-opportunity yokuthi ngikwazi ukurepresenta i-Gauteng ku-Miss Revolve Africa and then ngiye kuma-international stages. Yeah. And so much more,
Wait. Now imagine, hey, you go into an international stage, then you find me there. In that MC. Get it, yes, girl, I told you. Oh my gosh, I'll be so happy. But then I'm very happy for you at the moment. Like, I don't know what to do about it. Okay, so tell us, Karavane. At your age, you're already doing these beautiful things. What is your advice to someone that wants to embark on your journey? Bathomeko guy.
Obviously kumele ukuthi ube ne-support. Ayikho into ozoyenza without i-support.
True.
Yes. Support. And then believe. Like they have to believe in themselves.
And respect themselves.
Respect, yeah. Respect also because Ishama 2000 now abantu ukuthi kanjani busy these days.
Too much.
So now kumele ukuthi nenhlonipho ibe khona so that bazokwazi ukuthola ne-respect name. What's this? Support. Kubantu abahlala nabo like around. Ayikuthi like uthola support ekhaya kuphela kodwa like nangaphandle kwasekhaya khona abantu abazokusupport as much as nani support. Okay, so i-advice engizobanikeza bona is to be themselves. They have to believe in themselves. Lento leyo abayifunayo bazoyithola when the time is right.
They must also go to school.
Study.
Exactly. Books before boys comes, boys bring babies. 7 B's. Can you please tell, like, what is your advice to parents, like parents who like you, in their everyday lives? How?
I'm sure you want to get that show, especially when much thing. Whether king wana wanyana or kwa mshima, you must be there for one. Don't be absent. Each and every interest in one another, must support umuntu aibatlandir. That's how we build future or whatever.
Future president.
But future president, future models, future That's how we build them. Support each other. Be there for bana and machita ka le kopa.
Ba lerato.
Tlohelang ho slice. Tlohelang ho slice a re beng there for bana ba rona. Ba re hloka in order king ba be sharp mo life.
Sure.
Ke yona ntho e ke tla e tjhong ye.
Hore to get fathers like this. Oh, mongwe o thola shebile ra wa
Well,
tlwaela.
especially somewhere in, before that, I'm a bit racist when it comes to this culture. Somewhere in
Tlwaela hampe.
Bese ni thina siphuzanile.
Bona ba teng like motho a tlo tjhaela hore hayi khona ikhumbula ekhaya uzonthola makamdala like wa bona.
And
Di teng ntho tse jwalo.
it damages a child.
E senya ngwana cause ngwana o hola ka kelello e nngwe ya hore keng eish
I-
wa bona ngwana ko next door papa o teng eng
Mm.
even though time la ka mo next door le kgone mo tshwara sharp dear but now they saying hore eish wa ka o kae
Yeah.
and that thing e hola le ene dear e create a hatred e create a monster e create a eng a ba tshwane ba bang o kgona ho e bela side fela re itse keng ke hodiswa ke o lady dear
Mm.
that's it.
That's it. Yeah.
Ba teng le bomme ba siang bana le matime anyway e se ka ba re keng ke shebile fela mo matime ba teng ma boledi ba siang so but guys nna ke batla ho tjho fela as parents we must do one thing a re tlhokomeleng bana re buseng bana and then re ba support skela whatever ba e lakaletsang fela hore ba a re ba supporting
And the biggest
bashaka.
blessing it's a mobatswadi.
exactly
The biggest blessing it's a mobatswadi. So if when u le motswadi, then na as Poppy kere, you know what? Today I wanna try podcasting, for example. I wanna be a YouTuber. They lead to drugs, they lead to this and that and that. You understand?
Exactly.
You're already killing my dream and the dreams that are about to fall. What if I become a YouTuber then I'm on
Well,
the
bona ntho e jwalo.
side Brenda fast.
Wa tseba ho bohloko fela hore keng o tlo bona okay sharp like what I usually do Stoter if ever it's something he always want to be there papa
Hands
okay
on.
wetsa so hands on re etsa pa okay ntwana we fetola so wetsa eng like ke lokisa mnyako you want to be there in so ntho engwe le nngwe bana ba na le thing fela hore e re ke be ska batswadi ba ka.
Yeah.
So if ever you are not there e tlo ba eng o sa
Popo, do you want to add on something?
Yeah, no, I'm happy and I'm saying, Karabo, tell the people who are voted among
Which side and everything.
The voting lines are closed.
Are they?
Yes.
Are they?
that's why she got this
Oh, yeah.
remetse the final
Donation.
Or the donation. Yeah.
Yes, donation. So that izokwazi ukuthola indawo yokulala from May 26 till May 28 September. So donation yamqala ku 50 rand.
No, say
Say louder. Say louder.
Iqala ku 50 rand donation, guys, please.
So you need a donation for what?
For accommodation.
Okay.
Yes. So that izokwazi ukuthola indawo yokulala from the 26th till the 28th of September. Yes.
Okay, so we'll put it also.
We'll also advertise it as well.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Manje bazongithola njani ngisho phela?
Everything, how will they get you? Mara, let's get on stock. I know there are creeps out there.
yeah
Facebook.
Instagram, phone numbers.
Yeah, not
That's
that
what I'm just saying.
Facebook, Instagram, Karabo Silepe, baby.
Karabo.
Karabo Silepe. Yes. And then on TikTok, it's Karabo_Silepe26.
Okay.
So what do go away? But I think no, South Africa will help you.
Yeah.
Now we'll do that.
Yeah. Here's the 50 rand from Scammed.
we'll appreciate that we'll appreciate
So,
that
ladies and gentlemen, this is what I brought you today. Like I've always promised, Kitole Tela, Kampatu, Libatu, Libatu Basanzetro Babatu. Remember, if you're not loved by me, who will love you? You know? So, Karabo, thank you so much for visiting us today. Do you want to close the show?
You can close it.
How? Stand up, we wanna see the body.
ukashapa wokenyana nango Miss Heritage.
Now Miss Heritage wanna see that sash.
That's Miss Heritage 2025.
wokenyana uritswalla kantle.
Okay. So okay, Oscar Rabo. Ladies and gentlemen, remember we love you very, very much. Even though T in this Bukosahona today because Bukosahona is Kateze. Hi T at the bed there. You're good. Yeah, he's good. So remember guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share from me, Poppy, and Karabo, and Papa Karabo, and Bukosahona. I'm gonna say you kisses. Bye-bye.
Danke Mzansi.
My name is Karabo Slepe. I am 20 years of age and I am the face of Heritage South Africa Class of 2025 finalist representing the vibrant province Gauteng. Catch me on Tuesday doing Sekhaya Labantwana whereby I'll be doing a soup kitchen for the kids and also donating impact. And also you can get your ticket to me at 250 and then when it's gate to me it's 300 rand me 27th of September. Thank you.
Control, smack features up left and right like a console. Flex rhymes and not see a dime, not the console. Most cats dig just how I kick it. I'm infinity, more cash spending something different. Niggas used to so clap, chill, now it's business. So I'm here to take the whole stash, this just the beginning. Boys, listen, I've been gone, but all I hear's the same shit. Not missing, I've been on, and all it took was patience. Irene kokota me fulele, Irene kokota me fulele.